I'm here at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit, and this is a parlor suite, which I love the layout. This is going to be one of their entry-level room categories, but wow, it's huge. So this room will have either 2 double beds, they actually look like queen beds, or a king. That can be closed. And so then you come around here to this great living area, which also has a sofa bed. They will allow a rollaway in here. And they said this has an occupancy of 4. 3 adults is the max allowed in here. But honestly, I feel like if you had younger kids, I might be able to get where you could do a family of 5. And look at this stunning view. So again, this is the Parlor Suite at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit. Love this room category for families.